Nice. Curry conch, barracuda, curry chicken, pumpkin rice.
Cut up them.
So yes, my people, welcome back. Life in the hills, living in nature. Once more again, half grind, living. So yes guys, we are here about to cook up a storm, you know. Yeah, man, in the hills and the valley. Yeah man. So, today we have some conch, we have barracuda, we have some curry chicken, and we have a flipper style and yeah man, now just see fire side there. Just to light the fire with people. And we out here with a bunch of people. And also today we're here with Iron Man. Zit. So check it out. We're out on another adventure and today we get a sponsor on a seasoning. So show no. See? Jamaica Valley. And this is curry powder. Same brand. And this is chicken. You know? Alright. We have the chicken again. And we have season to the bone. So respect. So I have 1 piece season, you know? Yeah, man. And also scotch bonnet pepper there same way. You know? Yeah man. We endorse it to the world, Jamaica Valley. You see it? And you just see, we're in the hills and the valley. So we are cook up a storm, you know. I want to know, check it out. Run to the supermarket. Go and check it out. Jamaica Valley. Yeah man. Got them off now.
I put 9 dealers on.
What I know. And some seasoning we get Jamaica Valley. We are use them for you know we deal with the thing and make the food nice. So we are first we are use them and we are promote that thing at Jamaica Valley, Jamaica product. Run to the supermarket and find them.
See, Jamaica Valley, chicken seasoning. Yeah, man. So we are in that one to the world. Run to the all supermarket, island wide. Check it out. See? One get a little taste when I use it. You can know the limit. Yeah man, it's a lovely night, well level. Yeah, so we are get the cuda ready. Somebody else not move here.
Man, gonna look up in a rain in a tree. You chocho up. Thanks.
That's why I went back. You just say to get there.
Yeah, in the bathroom with your day.
If you are going to see the place, you can't have it. I make a piece of police next time. Next time, you don't go with Right now, the girl back there was yeah. Yeah, adventurous. I hope you can deal with steam.
I'm really bad to your phone.
For real, say I go. That's right.
Golden clip, you know.
Turn this one, the one recipe over
That's supposed to be just someone and so yes, my people, we dey back on the river again. And guess what? Show our blessing. So we did want to do it outside under the bamboos, but I guess you see the rain and fall, guys, and we have to come under the shed. But we never want, because we want to go to the natural life. What we are going? We have barracuda they are fried. And we are going to the golden looks, you know? Fry them to perfection, my people. Man, them a place here. And them a place here. Yes, when you ask to beat fish now, you don't want to make it too dry. You want a little moist inside the fish. You know? You want it juicy full, succulent. You see it? So when you make the sauce and it's soaking, wow. Yeah, one video do one you can't turn. Yo, give me one drink of the Pepsi there.
I'm still going to tell them. Oh, the big one.
My goodness, let me go on. Come here, we go and trouble, man.
Pick up the car on that.
That's it. Style from the river.
Hello, I'm going to make that job and put me over
Travis, you want a black bucket out of the chunk?
Teacher boy.
Come on. Guess what? Get my
You say boil mean boil up, that one cook.
Why is it going? Did I wrong? So you drink and eat, you're going to see a place everything go.
Yeah. That's how I know boy.
Don't shift the color, Diego. Don't shift the color. You should try me and drop on this one.
I want them for ticky.
What is here now to open on my phone?
A ticky. Ticky.
Yo, come on up, what's the code?
Yes, I need him out. I know they will walk out. That is not the frog. I smile on my
like rice.
So, probably them part time.
I know there's one little rocket bar than them.
I call it more.
You see no for them.
When you see them, I mean, I'm back, what you see them below it. I play in the don't
But you not like it all go. Put caps up on it.
Don't be in Sammy.
Way back there.
That's it, by your fault.
Go on, take up the 2 pieces and go on, man. And touch up the
Come and wash up all of them. No, no, in there.
That's all right. You don't want nothing more than that.
I said them going to fight now. One big one will leave.
Yeah, man, they don't do nothing, man. They share, man.
You still not put the knife in the pan.
That's a way to do the
Why
pan.
no trouble me? No trouble me. Me do what me want to, no.
I same thing, just go on, you know, you man say, you man say this thing, yeah.
What do you mean?
You see me and me no want to fight.
Go on, man. That's how we play.
Yo, Diego, come on.
Enough, no did it. Go on, man.
Our frog, they're not friends.
But if you eat the fish,
You don't want to, no.
I eat the fish.
I have trouble me. No see me there. You put that again. You mess up.
You put that name out and don't do that.
I fuck them for fun. Leave me not get.
You turn up with the hand and you kimbo like you're hungry.
I'm not hungry, man. I'm about to flash pan.
Uh-oh.
Flash pan.
So yeah, make sense, you know. So we have that's a curry conch. So you know we are share the fish. Sorry, we are share the food, you know. I mean, we say we have the scobied fish here, so. See it? We have a curry chicken here, so. Yeah, man, curry chicken. See it?
How much people?
And I have a pumpkin rice here, so you know. Yeah, man.
Pumpkin rice. Nice. Curry conch. Barracuda. Curry chicken. Pumpkin rice.
Odane spearfishing.
No, we don't do it like that. Hey.
Old are you now? Old are you now?
One DJ.
Old are you now? Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, man, it's right. DJ,